Good morning, children. Hope you all are keeping well these days and doing your classwork as well as homework well. So far, you have learnt slanting lines, slipping lines, standing lines, circle, and different curves. All these are very important before we could begin our writing. So, dear parents, help your children to remove my first book of writing capital letters. My first book of writing capital letters. And we will remove the page number 3. Yes, we are going to learn the ABCD. Before we could go for writing, we need to know how many letters are there in English alphabets. There are 26 letters A to Z. I have already explained to you all the 4 lines, the capital line, the waistline, base line and the tail line. The capital letters usually we write on the first 3 lines. On the first 3 lines. Children, repeat after me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So these are 26 letters. Now we'll remove page number 4. See here. What is this? A for apple. Now see here, number 1, number 2 and number 3 is written. Here is written number 1, number 2 and number 3. Which are these lines we have learnt? Karthik, tell me which are these lines? कौन सी लाइन है? थोड़ी जोर से. Yes, slanting lines. Very good. Clap hands for Karthik. And which is this line, Shrutika? ये कौन सी लाइन है? Sleeping line. Very good. So we have to draw 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line, and thus we'll get the picture of the letter A. And A for apple. Very good. You have seen the picture apple? Yes, you see here. This is a picture of apple. एप्पल का कलर कौन सा है? मौलिक, एप्पल का कलर कौन सा है? यस, इट्स अ रेड कलर. इंग्लिश में हम इसे रेड कहते हैं, हिंदी में हम इसे लाल कहते हैं. सेब का कलर लाल होता है, इंग्लिश में रेड कहते हैं. और ये जो एप्पल है, इज दिस ए फ्रूट और ए वेजिटेबल? ये फल है या सब्जी है? क्या है ये? कौन बताएगा? ये सब्जी है या फल है? यस हेमा, फल है. वेरी गुड. Clap your hands for her. She also has given the right answer. ये फल है और बहुत स्वादिष्ट होता है. हम सबको अच्छा लगता है. Now we'll see here. We have here different dots. We have to join all the dots together. Make 2 slanting lines and 1 slipping line. And we have to draw this the first 3 lines. While with the help of the 2 slanting lines and 1 slipping line, we'll get the letter A. You have to just trace the dots and you will get the alphabet A. Now here when you come to the next page, page number 5, you will have parents will help you to draw like these dots as I have drawn here. Yeah, your parents will help you to draw, and then you will take from above, you will join all these dots like this and you will get 2 slanting lines, and then you will join this middle, only middle one you will join again, so you will get letter A. Okay, you will draw it correctly. आपको स्ट्रेट करना है, आपको बिंदु को बिंदु जोड़ना है, तभी आपको करेक्ट लेटर मिल जाएगा. और when you come down to the next, there are 2 pictures. First picture is an apple. Yes, and then second picture is there, that is okay, aeroplane. It's called aeroplane. So these 2 pictures आपको कलर करने हैं. आपको क्या करना है? इसमें रंग भरना है. जो उसका रंग है वही भरना है. आपको ड्राइंग के बाहर नहीं जाना है. जब भी आप कलरिंग करते हो, जो ड्राइंग बताया गया है उसके बाहर नहीं जाना है, उसके अंदर ही कलर होना चाहिए. आप जब ये लिखते हो, व्हेन यू राइट इट नीट एंड क्लीन. Hold the pencil correctly in your hand with the help of these 3 fingers. Correctly hold the pencil in your hand and then you join all the dots. Okay, thank you.